First for our lone wolf.
Ito na, may ito na.
Para lang sa ano.
Para
yan ulit.
Ayan, Jong pa rin una. Okay, Jong, number 1.
Ako talaga.
Ang rotation. Tapos remove mo na lang, please. Tapos sa second, sa lone wolf. Lone wolf na, hindi sa dami. Si Mongs. Okay, si Mongs ang pangalawa. Okay, kami na lang ni Emon. Baka last na naman ako
Part 3 ka na naman.
Oo, part 3 ako.
Si Emon. Last ulit ako. Okay. Welcome back to the channel. So for our format and for our video today, we are playing Lone Wolf. Playing with Jong, si Mongs, at saka si Emon. Ayan. So basically yung Lone Wolf, 1 against 3. Tapos nagro-rotate every hole. Tapos we're playing stroke play and Olympics. So 20 pesos per point. Okay, starting off our Lone Wolf format is Jong. Kanan lang. 60 degrees. Okay, left with 33 yards to the flag. Akin palang kadiri, Ricky. Shout out naman dyan. 33 yards. Mukhang left to right. Huwag kang abang ko. Olympian. Okay, Mongs just outside of the green. Ganda. Babait yan. Okay. Nice shot. Nice shot. Emon. Nice out. Pasok. Uy, nabola. Napaganda pa. Nice. Malakas. Buti lang tumama. So, Jong for bogey. Tama, bogey ka, no? Bogey and 4 points. Tapos si Emon 3. Tapos si Mongs for 2. Ako for 1 point. Tapos ang mangyayari pala, kung sino yung lone wolf, siya lang pwede mag-give sa ating tatlo. Hindi tayo pwede mag-give sa isa't isa. Kasi tayo yung kalaban niya Tapos tayo nagbibigay ng give sa isa't isa. Malulugi. Uy, kulang. That's good, brother. Nice spot, brother. Point.
Wala na, talo na ako dito.
1 point. Ha?
Talo
Double din si Emon.
Ha?
Double si Emon.
Hindi, pero pabugi pa tayo. Oo.
For double.
Ay, sorry.
For double na ako.
Double ka, sorry.
Diba?
Tama ba? Tapos par na si ano?
Oo. Talo na ako dito
Okay.
Double na ako dito.
So double. So tayo Emon, ganun tayo. So double bogey ka, 'di ba? So 5, 4, 3. So ang score natin 12.
15 ako.
Tapos times 3 siya. Kung double bogey siya, 15. So 15, 12, panalo tayo. Bayad
ako sa inyo 60.
Bayad si Jong sa atin ng tigto 20. Tapos sa Olympics, 20. 2 points si Mongs, 1 point ako. Okay, so hole number 11, 295 yards. Si Mongs ang lone wolf. Bigyan kita sticker mamaya. Kanan lang.
Ay, kaliwa.
Left!
Nice shot, sir. Ang ganda. I'm still left with 120 yards to the flag. I'm hitting a full 56 degree wedge. Tapos ang lone wolf namin yun. Ayan. Si Mongs. Nasa likod. Keep right. Bunker. Olympian. Just right before the green. Right. And may bunker. Unfortunately, caught it fat. Short. Landed on the bunker. 20 yards to the flag. Left to right. Mga tirang G's. Nice out, sir. Okay, Emon and Mongs to go up and down for par. And chance for 5 points. Paki. Okay. Mongs for 5 points potentially. Up and down for. Naku, mahina. Pabait. 1 point. 3 ako, 2 si Emon. 4 si ano.
Where do yun, Jong? Fire skill lahat ah. Fire pat din yan, Mon? Hindi.
Mga marker ba?
Drop ako eh. Hindi.
Pasok!
Pasok!
Wow! 2 points! Good. Par? Ah, double?
Bogey lang pala, bogey lang.
Bogey. Okay, pero 2 points pa rin. Kuha! 1 point. Panalo si Lone Wolf. Par da? Par. Okay. Okay, hole number 12. Playing 140 yards. Walang plus dito. So, Emon ang Lone Wolf sa aming hole number 12. So, sa Olympics naman ay si Mongs is 3 points. Tapos ako 1. Nako. Alright. Go. Patong yan.
Go.
Parang patong. Ay. Okay. Unfortunately, hindi nag-draw yung bola. 15 yards to the flag. Hitting a 60-degree wedge. Oh, dasalan mo na, Ricky.
Makakasin ko yan. Pating birdie.
Pating up and down. Tingnan natin. Ano na bola?
Bite.
I'm on the Lone Wolf. Layo mo pa. Okay. That is for his par. Okay. At least nakita ni Jong yung bola niya. This is to go up and down for a par. Go! Sige pa! 2 points. Okay. For 2 points si Jong. Mongs spotting for par and 4 points. Ako 3. Si Jong 2. Si Emon 1. Right to left. Boom! Nice. Yes, nice shot, sir. Pasok din. Oh, okay. That's good, brother. Shout out naman dyan, ate. Hello. Shy siya, oh. I think this is to win the pot. Uy. Bogey ka. 7 ako.
Ito
Bogey 12.
kahit mag-bogey ako, panalo.
Panalo tayo.
Good na yung kayo.
Good mo na lang. Kuha pa rin eh.
Pinasok pa eh.
Pinasok pa rin talaga.
Grabe. Nice spot. Good pa.
Magaling naman ang mga putters na. Putters.
Alright. Hole number 13. I am now the Lone Wolf. Then for our Olympics, I am currently leading with 4 points. Si Mongs 13, 13-3. Si Emon 2. Si Jong no points yet for Olympics. Okay, ako ang lone wolf dito sa hole 13.
Going to the dark side na siya.
TM na rin. Nice shot, Mon!
Four! Four!
Sold!
Ventus ko. Nice.
Fortunately, my tee shot faded or sliced. Just need to lay a course management with a 50-degree wedge dito. Nice. Huwag lang gugulong ng mabilis pababa. Shout out daw, Richard! Ha? Bati ka naman! Mongs to go up and down for a birdie. Na?
Nagpakilala sa'yo po sa akin.
Ah, okay, si Richard. Okay, kilala ko rin. Nagkadi na rin sa akin. Left with 105 siguro to. Kaliwa lang. Patong. I am left with 100 yards to the flag. Hitting a full 60-degree wedge. On green na. Oh, boy. Jong to go up and down also for birdie. Short. Patong mo! Yay! Ayaw ng Olympian. Emon to go up and down for par. Kikik right yan? Umabot ka lang. Okay. Pating pinusulayo sa inyo, Jong. So si Emon for 4 points, Jong for 3, ako for 2, si Mongs for 1. Si Jong patting for birdie, Emong patting for par. Mongs and I also for birdie.
Mahina pa rin.
Sobrang lakas naman. Kala ko sobrang bagal. Lakas din. Malalakas lahat ah. That's good, that's good. Galing. Nice spot, brother.
Yun pala yun.
Abot mo.
Double 7, 12. Ano ka, bogey? For the win pala to?
For the win, oh.
Nice shot, sir.
Par.
Ha?
Par.
Ako, par. Okay, I won that. I won the hole as a lone wolf. So, Mr. Reyes, the lone wolf for hole number 14. Yes, sir.
Lugi ka ni sa'yo pag par 5 ikaw ang lugi.
Dito sa 13. 14. Si Jong ang lone wolf natin. 510 yards. So, sa Olympics, I'm still leading 4 points. Mongs 3, Emon 2. Si Jong none yet. Kaliwa.
Kaliwa?
Oo.
Kaliwang kaliwa?
Oo. Tumabit sa puno eh.
Wow! Nice shot.
Ay, nag-bleed sa right. Ganda, Mon!
Nice one.
Gitnang gitna. Nice shot.
Ano siya?
Kung familiar ka dun sa
TR ni
Ventus. Oh. Tour ano ba yun? Tour release? Ang TR? 345. Nakabig? Sa stance mo? lie. I will try to go for it. I will try to fade the golf ball. The pin is in this area. The green is here. So I'll try to shape it left to right. Matok-tok, sir. Mga tak. At least fairway.
Fairway naman po.
Nick. Meow, 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 meow. Okay, I am left with 90 yards to the flag. Hitting a full 60-degree wedge.
Oh, on green. Bite! Bite!
Lakas.
Lakas, sir.
Okay. Monks to go up and down for a par. Huh? Go. 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 Okay. Mukhang ako ang 4 points, si Jong, si Monks ang 3, 2 si M1, 1 si Jong. 1.
Bite!
Left right pala. Tama pala yung una ko. Okay, M1. 4 par yan man, no? 4 par and for 3 points. Tapos si Monks 4 par and 2. Tapos si Jong 1 par 4 and 1 point. For 3 points. So left to right. Hindi na, laylay. Laylay. Panalo ka na yata. 6-6 17. Oh, kahit magtupat ka pa dyan. 6. Ay, hindi. Sorry. Hindi. Ay, hindi. May plus siya, di ba? Oh, may stroke ka. Oh, kahit magtupat ka. Panalo ka na. Panalo. Okay. Pero, 1 point. 1 point. Okay. Good par, brother. Okay. Hole 15. 442 yards. Par 5. Si Monks ang Lone Wolf. Wow, gitnang gitna. Nice shot, Mon. Nice shot. Okay. Mga partners ko, ang gagaling ah.
Hoy! Layo nun.
Layo. Alam kong mag-fade pero baba kasi. Sorry. Ganda.
Wow!
Wow.
Grabe yun ah.
Huwag ka lang umabot sa bunker. Para short naman yata. Good shot, brother. Okay, Emon. Tawid. Okay, safe. Sino nga ba? Ano? Si Monks. Huwag ka naman mag-bunker. Tama na. Maabot. Guwapo! Okay, for my second shot, I'm left with 190 yards to the flag. Uphill against the wind. Hitting a 5 iron. Nice. Oh! Right! Diyan mo lang! Bunker, sir.
Maabot tayo sa bunker.
M1 just landed in the bunker. Landed on the bunker. To go up and down for birdie. Ako nag-chunk. Sayang. Landed also in the bunker. 16 yards to the flag. Malaki to, left to right. Mabilis. Go! Woo! Okay, M1 to go up and down for a par. Hit the pin! Good shot, brother. Grabe si Lone Olympian. Lone Wolf na Olympian pa. He's just outside for his eagle. Kami, si Mong, Jong, pating ano ka? O, pating birdie. Ito pating eagle eh. Lone Wolf pa. Olympian pa. Pwede ko bang guluhin yung player mo? Ha? Guluhin mo siya. Nakasalala yung tip mo doon. Mukhang na kuya. Okay lang, may chance. Nice! Sayang! 3 points!
Eagle yun, Luigi.
Birdie. Nakuha ni Emon. Naku. Layo pa.
Ako to.
Uy. Panalo ka na. Bogey. Par. Ay, hindi na shoot. 18. So, kahit magmintis ka dyan, panalo ka tayo. 18. Kasi, 7, 6, 13, 18. 3 putts to pa. Kung mabogi ka pa dyan, 3 putts to tayo. Kuha mo na to, panalo lone wolf si Mongs. Uy! Okay, that's good, that's good. Our lone wolf, Mr. Posadas. Okay. Malamang wala pa ring plus. Okay, hole number 16. 115 yards to the flag. Oh, behind eh. Oh, kumpukamig. Hindi ka na yung makaibon eh, no?
Ayun, may pwede. Pwedeng hindi mo gamitin, ano?
Oo, pag hindi rin patong si Mongs. Ganda. Baba. Okay, good shot, brother. Lone Wolf, M1. Just outside of the green. Just outside of the green pa. Short. Kapal eh. Naku, shoot. Okay. Landed left of the green. Pulled my shot 19 yards to the flag. Left to right. I will try to nip it. Right. Thank you. M1 for 4 points. Si Mongs for 3 points and birdie. Ikaw for double. 2 points and par. Ako 1 point and par. We've conceded this hole. Lakas, brother!
Hit.
Okay lang, hindi naman sobrang lakas. Mongs for 3 points and birdie. Mahina, brother! Okay na yan? That's good, that's good. Kita na. Okay na yan, brother? 1 point. Thank you. Okay, par. Okay, the lone wolf conceded, so panalo kaming mga allies. Tapos I'm currently 5 points sa Olympics. Si Mongs ay 3, Jong 1, tapos si Emon 2. Okay, that was a good up and down for par. I won 1 point sa Olympics. Then for hole 17, I am the lone wolf. So playing against the allies. Hole 17 is playing 170 yards to the flag. Slightly downwind, hitting an 8 iron. Nice shot. Straight.
Kick right. Kick right. Kick right. Short lang. Balik.
Nag-slice. Ayun sila, sa bandang bunker bagsak niya. Ayun, bunker.
Wow! Kumanan lang, sayang. Lumabas. Oo. Okay, just landed. Short, sayang. Left to right. Okay, chance for 5 points.
Ay!
Short.
Muli. Pag muli ba may Olympic? Oo, no?
Hit.
Sabi ko na yun. Yun ang winu-worry ko eh. Yung pababa eh.
Kaya tamong sang 4 points eh. Oo, 4. Tapos 3 si Jong. 2 ako. 1 si Emon. Lahi ng parpat ko. Mali yung diskarte ko. Dapat bump and run. What a putt! Kaya pala sipat na sipat. Mukhang talo yung lone wolf ah. 4 points. Nice putt brother. Oh, nice par. Okay, Jong 4 par and 3 points.
Panalo pa!
Bogey. 3, 10. Panalo pa ako, 15 kayo eh. Tama ba? Ay, hindi. 3, 7, 5, 12. O, panalo ko. Tie. Okay. Swerte. I won that hole sa Lone Wolf. Nag-tie kami na 12 parehas ang score. Okay lang yan, safe yan. Okay na to. Meow, 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 meow. Masyadong naalalayan naman. Na behind ng konti. Gettable pa rin yan. Mouse left with 255. Hitting his 3 wood. Ganda, Mongs. Kanan lang ng konti. Okay lang. Huwag ka lang mag-bounce ng malaki. Tama na. Okay, I'm left with 240 plus yards to the flag. Hitting a 4 iron. Matalbog at saka with the wind.
Uy, nice shot.
Ay, bumite!
Nag-bite sir.
Hindi tumalbog!
Ayun sir oh. Around the green lang sa taas.
Sa may fringe. Hindi.
Turn! Buti na lang nag-fade sa dulo. Okay, good shot, Mon. Maganda yata yan. Maganda yan, Jong. Nahihili ka sa bump and run ngayon ah. Galing ah. Galing ni Lone Wolf ah. Nice shot, brother. Ano yung distance mo, Mongs? 33? Okay, Mongs 33 yards to the flag. Little green to work with. May bunker pa sa harap. Landed right off the green. 11 yards. Right to left.
Bite.
Lang pala ng bigay ko. Hindi pala ganun kalaki yun.
Okay, Emon for 5 points. Maganda ng pace. 5 points! Ah, okay, 1 point. That's good. Ay.
5 points sa ano.
Ay, nasa loob na pala. Give na. Okay. 2 points pa ako. 3 points ka, Jong. 4 si ano, si Mongs. Left to right pero. Parang kanan to eh, dahil sa damo.
Par Luigi.
Saka 2 points.
Si ito mo. Ating bogey ka, di ba?
Kuha mo. Kuha ng lone wolf. May plus ka pa. May stroke ka pa. Okay. Sorry. Start of the second line, front 9, hole number 1. It's playing 471 yards. I'm just laying up with a 4 iron. Then for the update for our format today, yung lone wolf, I'll just update it sa video. Olympics, currently tied kami ni Monks at 7. Tapos si Emon is 3 points, tas 1 point si Jong. For stroke play, currently I am 2 over, si Monks is 3 over, si Jong 10, si Emong 15 over. Tapos i-adjust na lang namin with the handicap. Naku, pumasok. Nice shot. Ganda, Mon. Beauty. Kumanan lang. Huwag kang mag-bunker. Pwede rin pala kasi ikaw yung wolf eh. Para safe. Parang before. Lone wolf. The lone wolf is just playing smart. Course management si lone wolf. Okay, inside 100 yards. Right before the bunker. Left with 240 plus yards to the flag. This might not be a good decision, but I will still go for it with my hybrid. Ano? Tamang decision ba to, Ricky?
Yes, sir.
Ha?
Nakikita ko sir ng kayang-kaya niyo po.
Bahala na si Batman. Okay. Oy! 4 left! What a terrible second shot. Mali yung dasal natin, Ricky. Left with 85 yards left to right. So I can't hit a normal wedge, but I'm just going to punch with my pitching wedge dito. 85 yards. Tirang mga 50 to 60 left to right. Oy! Up! Yun. To go up and down for a par. Left to right. What a terrible punch shot. 26 yards to the flag. Nipping it with a 60-degree wedge. Bite. Nice. The lone wolf is also an Olympian. Possible 5 points. Naku, ang ganda! Huwag mong i-shoot. 1 point. Kuha. Just outside of our hole. Tapos si Jong is also putting in for 1 point na si Mong. So 8 na siya sa Olympics. Bite. Tama na. 4 points pa si Emon. Nice. 2 points. Nice, Patmon. Okay, so for Olympics, I'm currently 9 points. Monks is 8. Emon is 3. Jong is 1. Tapos sa stroke play, even kami ni Monks dito sa front. Pero may plus siya, may 2 strokes pa siya. Tapos si Jong, ano ka dito sa 1? Double. So 12 over na siya. Mon, ikaw ilang ka sa 1? Bogey. So 16 over na siya. Idol, gandang umaga. Okay, playing now hole number 2. 447 yards. May stroke dito si Emon. Si Emon ang lone wolf. Tapos for hole number 1, si Monks won that hole against the Alliance. Kumana lang ng konti.
Nakat eh.
Nice shot, sir.
Beauty. Nice shot.
Wag ka! I'm left with 148 yards to the flag for my second shot. slightly downwind pero lagi akong nasa short dito with the pitching. So I'll just hit a regular 9 iron. Naku, hindi nag-draw. Draw mo.
Pasok. Oh.
Unfortunately, hindi nag-draw yung second shot ko. Landed right off the green. So I'm left with 25 yards to the flag. Hitting a 18-yard shot na nippy right to left with my 60-degree wedge. Bite. Bilis pa rin talaga. Ulong sa kanan. Wow! Scaring the hole every time. Okay, so for Olympics, Mr. Reyes 4 points. Ako 3. Gar, ako 3, di ba? Kayo 2 sila, Mr. Posadas, 1 si ano. Si Mongs. Mahina. Bogey to make par. Okay, bogey. Net bogey. So 5-15. So kuha. Uy! Double. Double ba? Double. So 5-11. Pating double na rin to eh. Kuha mo talaga. Klarong klaro. First stroke play na lang. Uy. Okay. So no movement sa Olympics. So hole number 3, I am the lone wolf. Hole 3, it is playing 190 yards. So I might hit a 6 iron. Ano ko ba yan? Ganda. Bitin lang. Bitin lang. Bunker mo na para sa lone wolf. Thank you. Walang kwentang kaibigan. Joke lang. Thank you.
Ay, nag-slice. Huwag na. Huwag. Ugat.
7 pala ako. Wala naman nasa green. Sige, hindi na muna.
Palit ka sir na yan.
Okay, as the wolf, medyo mali yung palo ko doon. Open yung club face. I think this is left to right. 37 yards to the flag. Tirang 30. Ano ba? Kailangan may buligan.
Yun. Keep left.
Monks up and down for par. Pati si Emon. Ganda naman yan. Ganda ng black. Olympian. Oh, tama na. I have this long putt for my par. Left to right. For possibly 3 points. Okay, Jong for 4 points. Ako for 3. Emon still outside for possibly 5 points. Nice putt, brother.
Nice boogie.
Ano tayo? Wow! Sakto nga sa yung driver na yan ah. No? Oo, nice. Kuha ko. Kuha ko yung lone wolf. Oo. Bogey ako eh. Nako, yan si ano. Galing na. Living dangerously ah. Inangat mo muna talaga sa ubi ah. Good shot, brother.
Oh, wag.
Huy! Huy! Huy!
Safe ata yung...
Safe?
Delikado.
Asan ba? Kaliwa?
Kumaliwa, baka ubi.
Punta natin, sir. Muling tayo, sir.
Wala na pala akong muligan. Naka-big.
For right!
Okay, very lucky. Pulled my tee shot. Buti sumabit sa puno. Safe. I'm still 120. 120 to the flag. Tirang mga 100. Hitting a 8, pero ako 8 iron. Punching out. Subukan ko i-punch draw ang 8 iron. Aiming for in between those trees. Okay, subok.
Nice. Taas mo, ilabas mo. Yos, nice. Umover, sir, sa bunker.
Pwede na, masaya na tayo dyan. The Lone Wolf. I think this is for up and down for bogey na si Jong. 1, 2, 3. Oh, up and down. For bogey. Olympian! The Lone Olympian. Just landed short of the green. Sayang, kulang yung rampa. This is right to left. Mabilis. Lahat Olympian ah.
Oy, wait.
For 5 points, Mr. Manzano. With the win. Okay, putting for 4 points and for par.
Nice par.
Ah! Nabati ni Ricky. Par na eh. Sayang, ganda na. Mahina din. Kuha na naman. 2 points na naman siya. Nice putt. For 1 point. Naku, nabitin pa. Okay, hole number 5. The Lone Wolf. Mr. Manzano. Tapos sa Olympics, 12 points na si Monks. Hangin pa. Ganda. Go.
Bunker. Short.
Ay, nagkumulot sa dulo. Second shot, terrible tee shot. Left with 35 yards to the flag. Nipping a 60-degree wedge.
Uy, nice shot.
Labas mo! Ay! Good. Okay lang. Tama na! Huwag ka na mag-bunker ulit! Bunker ulit.
Okay, putting for par.
Emon for potential 5 points. 4 points pa. 4 points. 4 ako. 4 ka mon. 3 ako. 2 si Jong, 1 si Monks. Kaliwa nga oh. Left right. Tama ka nung una. Lakas pa rin. Okay na yan. lakas. Nako, may ano pa. May pabalik pa. Yun na, sabi take your time. Okay, hole number 6, the Lone Wolf, Mr. Posadas.
Four left! Four left!
Naku si Lone Wolf.
Nice shot. Kaliwa mo konti, kaliwa mo. Okay na po.
Draw pa. Hindi, hangin kasi oh. Kinontra ng hangin yung draw mo eh. Tama na. 4 right! Left with 120 yards to the flag for my second shot. A little left to right. Hitting a 50-degree wedge.
Oh!
Sabi ko na makakaliwa eh.
Oy! Jabong sir.
Very unfortunate. Pulled my second shot. Pumasok sa tubig. This is to go up and down for a bogey. 24 yards to the flag.
Nice shot sir. Bite.
Okay. Jong for 4 points. There 2 points ako. Bite. Naku, labas na naman. Olympian. Patting for bogey. Bigay ko halos half grip. +1. Sobrang naalala naman, Simon. Mahina.
Nice.
Okay, M1 for par. Ay, par for 1 point. Okay, let's go. Nice putt. Nice putt. Nice putt. Par? Good par. Hole 7. 327 yards. I am the Lone Wolf. Naku! Ricky oh. Grabe lusot. Kaso draw ang nangyari. Lusot mo. Parang hindi aabot. Pero na namang nagka-cameo si Meow. Puro kakalokohan, Dodong eh. Sayang, medyo stymy lang. Pero I think I have a shot. 126 yards to the flag. Pero 50 degrees. I think I can hit this low. Hopefully. Ito.
Oh! Lakas ng gulong yan. Karpat yun sir sa may...
Terrible to second shot. 17 yards to the flag. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko. Bahala na.
Bite mo lang. Bite!
I have this par putt. Layo. Left to right. Jong is 3. Yun! Nakakuha rin! For the win. For the win! Ay! That's good. Okay, panalo ako. I won that. Okay, hole number 8. The Lone Wolf, Mr. Reyes. Playing 168. 4 left! Ha? Isa yung oo nga. Umaangkat ka eh. Mataas pa rin.
Uy! bunker. Uy, kaliwa mo, kaliwa mo. Fortnite!
Puro right ang miss ko ngayon. So 23 yards to the flag, landed right off the green of the fairway. 23 yards. Hitting a talaga ako pag ganyan katigas yung fairway.
Bite, 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 bite!
Okay, Mr. Reyes for 4 points. The lone Olympian. The lone wolf. Pasok! 4 points pa! Ooh. Abot mo! Mr. Wolf, is that okay? Okay na man. Set. Okay. Hole number 9. The Allies won the 8th hole. Tapos no points lahat ano. So last lone wolf si Mr. Manzano dito sa last hole. Panalo rin yata siya sa akin sa stroke play. Last hole, unfortunately, I'm already 11 over total. Very terrible front 9.
Oh.
Puli. Ayun, tumama.
Nice.
Ganda. Nice shot. Okay, second shot. Just doing course management with the hybrid.
Uy, nice shot. Uy! Right! Eh, talbog mo sa kayan.
Okay, the lone wolf. In regulation for birdie. 120 yards. 56 tayo, Ricky. Left with 120 yards to the flag. Slightly downwind. Hitting a full 56-degree wedge. Challenge is to birdie this hole.
Uy, ganda. Kumaliwa lang. Igulo mo pa kanan.
Okay, lone wolf. Ah, may mulligan pa siya. Sumobra naman. My third shot was short. Malaki left to right, mabilis. Try na ko naman bump and run. Kanina pa ayaw gumana na.
Pumasok ko.
Okay. 1 point. Par. 11 over.
Mahina naman.
Laylay. Lumaylay. Okay, lone wolf. Hanip naman, clutch. 2 points yan.
2 points.
Oh. Si Jong 3 ay 4. Si Emong 3. May
1, 2, 3.
Ganda.
Third shot natin, bunker. Bunker.
4.
Fourth shot natin, doon. Oh, 6 doon na.
2. 3 points. 3 points. 3 points. 3. 3 points. Nice spot. Natapos siya ng 15.
Grabe.
Good, good round. Siya kanya rin stroke.
Sa rin stroke?
Mukha. Good round, brother. Good round, good round. Okay, so I think the stroke play winner is Mongs. Tapos kukumpitin na namin yung sa Lone Wolf.
Yung player ko.
Siya yung nanalo si Mongs. O 81. Nice shot.